Hey guys, this is Tony. Here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 train. They're gonna they're gonna let him go by first before the Technicar trains and other stuff come by. And as of right now, Texas Eagle 21 is running a couple hours behind schedule due to a disabled train that got its path in Hope, Arkansas earlier today. But so I apologize for that. But yeah. That one's leading 69, but they can advertise 69 as long as he gets here around 10:30 to 11 o'clock or at 9 or something. And that's what I meant. You never know. You never know if it makes time or something. That depends on these trains, though. Oh, here he comes. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Here comes the truck. Here he comes. Where'd you go? Yeah, I got his horn show. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 going by and got his horn show, so that's awesome. I'll talk to you later until the next train comes. Bye-bye.